EURUSD this week has risen in value. The week started here from this value, from this candle, and the price has moved up to 1.09860. This supply zone where we have a confluence of resistance with this uptrend channel trend line also, which is acting as a resistance, and also this one big one, which is also a trend line from the monthly time frame, and we have here also monthly horizontal resistance line. So we have three lines acting as a confluence of resistance where the prices touch this area, the supply zone, and then reverses back down, which was expected in the previous week analysis. But we can see also that the prices stop it right here at the next support, which is also a demand zone. We can see that the prices stop it at 1.08846, where we have a Friday candle that has tried to push even more down, going below these three candles, which is also small support between this resistance and also this one support. So the price on the Friday has reversed back up, but also we can see that the price has formed some kind of a bullish pin bar right here on the demand zone, which is suggesting that the price could reverse and continue to move to the upside. Let's go to the weekly time frame and see how this looks. In this case, we can see that the price has formed this bearish engulfing candle right here at the great resistance, here confluence of resistance around 1.09860. And we can see that the price has bounced from this price level and then stopped right here at the 1.08846 support level. And what we can see, weekly time frame has formed a bearish engulfing bar. On the monthly time frame, where we have the previous month has closed, and we can see that this candle has touched this confluence of resistance right at 1.09860 and then reversed back down. Then the price started this month. We have only one day with this small candle, so we should not watch this candle at all at the moment. But what we can see, and also what we can make as analysis, is that after the price has made a breakout to the upside about 1.07825, now we have the price has gone above 1.083, it has gone above 1.086, and it has closed just below 1.09, which is also a very critical level for the monthly time frame. So now we have the prices bouncing back up, touch this area, and then reversed back down. So what I'm expecting in this month is that I'm expecting that the price will go down at least to here, and that has happened, 1.083, and then go down around 1.07825, finding a next support before moving up. So currently what I'm expecting this month is that the price could reverse back down, touching this one area here, and then I will see what happens. Will the price break to the downside, or it will form some kind of a demand zone and support before continuing to move up. But based on this candle from the previous month, I'm expecting that the price will return and continue to move up to 1.09860 and trying to make a breakout to the upside. So when the price goes down, we'll see what happens. So this is for the monthly time frame, but we can go to the weekly to see much more clear information. But the goal is, we can see this is a bearish engulfing candle, which has formed right here on the greatest resistance and confluence of resistance, and now has stopped right here at the next support. So the next level where the price could go and also needs to break is this one here, 1.086 on the weekly time frame. So before moving down, we will see how this looks on the daily time frame, which needs to be broken to the downside in order to confirm this breakout as valid one, which will suggest that this bearish engulfing candle has been validated. So in this case, what I can see, the next level where the price needs to break below is on the weekly time frame, 1.086. This level we will see on the daily time frame. So you can see the past, this price has been some kind of a confluence between the support and resistance. Below that, when the price breaks below, the next level where the price will stop is this one here, start of this demand zone around 1.08. So this is the next level where the price will go, and where I'm expecting the price will stop. So this is where the price could stop, but the wick that goes down on the weekly time frame could go and stretch up to the lower side of this demand zone, because you can see in the past when the price was going down, the wick has ended at this price level, but the wick and also the price has touched the lower side of this demand zone. So I'm expecting the same scenario, because this is the pattern that the market is following and it's also behaving. So the next one after that we'll see what happens. But let's go to the daily time frame and see how this looks. The price has formed this bullish pin bar right here on the demand zone, and it is a great signal that the price could go up on the daily time frame. But what we have seen on the monthly and also weekly time frame, I'm expecting that the price will drop down and reach around 1.08 price level, which is the start of this demand zone. And also what we can see currently, the price has dropped down. We can see this is very critical level, and on Friday the candle has closed below this price level, which means on the daily time frame this price level has been broken. But also have in mind that we have here two price levels. This one is 1.088 and this one here is, let's stretch this a little bit up so you can see it much more clearly. You can see it here, this is the second one. So this is the area for the price that needs to be broken below. So I'm expecting on Monday, if the price goes down below this price level and closes the Monday below this one, the next level where the price could go and needs to break is 1.084. This is the next price level that needs to be broken to the downside in order to continue to reach 1.08. So this is the next level that I'm watching on a Monday, and I'll see what happens. If the price reverses back up, in order to continue to be in the bullish momentum, the price needs to go above 1.090 price level, which you can see it here, a very critical level for the daily time frame. So in order to continue up, we need to have the price making a breakout to the upside. We can see that the price has tried this week, previous week, tried to make a breakout to the upside, but then the next candle has been validated, not going back inside. But the price has dropped down even without that confirmation, and then continue to move up. So I'm expecting to see the price making a breakout to the upside or the downside, but I'm more inclined to have the price on the downside, and from here when the price reaches this price level we can expect that the price will bounce and move to the upside, because you can see when the price goes down to the price level, the price always make a bounce to the upside and reaches again this area here. After that we'll see what happens, but this is the overview for the next week. So if you would like also to get a PDF, it is a free PDF, you can also check it inside the description, and also check your email after that, because I will send to you a free PDF, a tutorial for the traders, for the beginners, also how to start the trading and also how to use supply demand strategy that I'm currently using when I'm making this analysis. Feel free to check it, it's free completely, and see you next time. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading!